Hi friends, subscribe my channel A to Z Technical Education and also press on the bell icon so that you never miss my latest videos and update. Hi friends, myself Sahil and you are watching A to Z Technical Education. Today's topic is on how to track your phone if your phone is lost or you have kept it somewhere. Although there is so many tricks of finding the phone, but I'm gonna tell you the two best trick to find your phone. So let's start the video. IMEI number is not for mobile only. It is a type of network which can connect with your device. Take mobile phones, 3G, 4G tablet or in dongle you will find IMEI number. This IMEI number is your device identity. IMEI number is of 15 digit. You will find it in your phone bills, phone box cover or phone back panel, battery, or you can dial *#06#. Then also you will find your IMEI number. Now if your phone is lost, what you need to do? If you have Android phone or iPhone, then you need to log in to Android device manager. If you use Android phone, or you can log into iCloud if you use iPhone. In two cases you will find two different options. If your phone is online or there is a network in your phone, then you can locate your phone directly. If you do like this and you will luck is good, then you will get your phone.
First of all, open the Play Store and type Live 360 app. Install the app. I already have an app, so I'll open it. It can work on GPS, wireless network and Wi-Fi. Look, my location is here and I can track my friend location that is here. You can invite as many friends you want through this invitation. Invite new member, like click here and send the code to WhatsApp, Facebook or direct to Instagram. If your friend join with this code AQFAAEF, then you can see your friend location also through this app. But this app have some demerit also, like it can work only when there is Wi-Fi or net. I would suggest you that you can use the fast method. It is the best.
If you found anything interesting in this video, please like the video, share the video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.